What is good, yo? Welcome to your favorite weekly, monthly, yearly, depende kung kailan namin gusto mag-upload podcast, Rebel Broadcast, by the one and only Midnight Rebels. And tonight, andito kami, Mindanao, sa Sub-Saharan.
Mindanao.
We're just kidding. We're here at Mindanao, Butuan City, one of my favorite places here in Mindanao and the whole Philippines. And I'm with...
Hi, I'm Victor Hao, all the way from Cebu.
Yes, sir. And I'm with...
Hi, this is Miss Kay from Davao.
So guys, kamusta ang biyahe?
Well, because of the weather, so the jet's kind of shaky on the way
Sobra,
here.
bro. Sobra. Kanina nga nung pa-landing, no, kinuha ko na yung wallet ko, tinignan ko na yung picture ng girlfriend ko. Sabi ko, baka last na to. Pero, yeah, I'm just kidding. So, yun nga, we're here right now, Butuan City, Blackout. We guys know what's about to get down tonight. Talaga, ang masusurprise talaga dito, yung mga patrons, yung mga pupunta mamaya, yung mga nakasubaybay sa SOCMED. So, with that being said, ano ba yung ine-expect nyo for Blackout here at Mobs, Butuan City?
This is my first time in this kind of setup.
Yeah.
I'm not really first time, pero ito yung isa sa highlight siguro na gig na meron ako for this
Yeah.
for this month. Especially, it's my birth month. So
Yeah.
this is very
Happy birthday!
Thank you! This is very special and ang in-expect ko lang is to have fun talaga.
Yeah.
I know, always naman pag nasa Midnight Rebels, it's always fun. So, yun
Sir.
na lang talaga in-expect ko. Nothing more, nothing less. Fun
Yes,
lang.
sir. What about you, Idol Victor Hao?
Yeah, well, we know that this kind of setup has been trending in current electronic events. Somewhat like putting the DJ in front of everybody. It's more intimate, and we can have a lot of fun all together.
Like I said, these kinds of events, hindi to yung makukuha mo on a weekly basis eh.
Yeah.
Lalo na pag nandun tayo sa mga hometowns natin, this is not every day. This is a special event.
It is.
Once a year, minsan once a year, minsan wala talagang. So, sobrang special niya, sobrang exciting. With that being said, ano yung mga as DJs, ano yung mga preparation na ginawa nyo for this event and also, ano yung i-expect ng tao sa atin mamaya? Yan.
Ako
Ladies
na naman una.
first. Yes, sir.
Okay, I have ever since na si Jared na mention na sa akin to. I was really preparing. I'm bago pa lang ako sa industry. So but I was so happy to be part of this Blackout X dahil I'm leaning towards to this kind of music and tracks. So medyo na pasok ka sa rabbit hole na ganito, which is very nice. My preparation is very iba siya sa usual na ginagawa ko sa Davao, which is Davao is very commercial. So eto talagang new tracks. I've nagdig talaga ako, and then I hope the people in Butuan will mare-resonate sa kanila yung energy, which is I'm very excited since last week.
Sir, how about you?
Well, as someone in the business myself, I run 2 bars in Cebu. So I'm into vibe curation. So I understand what's totally going on here. And especially that this event is being held here in Mofs Butuan. I've been here so many times and the crowd here is perfect for events like this. So I have prepared the kind of set where I would just want to have fun. I can play a little bit of dark stuff. I can play a bit of tribal world sound. That would be all.
Ewan ko nabasa nyo sa poster, nakalagay doon, the music will be unapologetic.
Unapologetic.
So guys, sa plano nyo sa genre, playlist, music, pwede nyo bang i-tease yung tao? Ano yung expect nila? Ano yung mga ibabagsak natin? Gaano ba kalalim ang kaya nilang sisirin para sa atin mamaya?
Yeah.
Alternate naman, how about you, bro?
Well, yeah, I would probably be playing a bit of techno, a bit of tech house, maybe a little bit of hardstyle just to push them to their limits.
Yeah. How about you?
I love tech house. So nasa 60% yung tech house ko. And trance, a little bit of trance. So nag-start kasi ako as a gusto yung commercial. So, it's more of a remix ng mga tech house para familiar din siya sa crowd. So, most likely 30% of that or 40%. So, but it's really not the usual set that I do. That's why I'm so excited.
If I'm not mistaken, bro, you've been here multiple times.
Yes.
I've been here for this is my third, and this is your first time. So this question is for you. What do you expect sa mismong butuan crowd or sa MOPS crowd for later? Meron ka na ba parang pag ini-imagine mo yung mangyayari mamaya, may expectation, kumbaga may may nalagay na bang expectation in your mind on what's going to happen, lalo na sa crowd?
Honestly, medyo kinakabahan ako. Actually, always naman ako kabado kada gig. Pero masyadong mataas yung standard na ini-expect ko sa crowd here. But I know na talagang sila yung, I'm sure mag-enjoy sila. Honestly, this is my first time in MOPS and isa to sa mga talagang dream place ko na gustong tugtugan within Mindanao. And I was so happy that I was invited by Midnight Rebels to be here. And wala talaga akong expectation specifically, pero I always use my energy to resonate with the crowd. So, ganun lang talaga yung ginagawa ko. And then, based sa mga pinag-uusapan natin kanina, I know the crowd will be great. So, yun lang. Gusto ko lang din makuha yung energy nila pabalik para maganda yung vibe and set.
Yes, sir. Another teaser question, guys. Sige, ito na lang para mas lalong matis yung mga pupunta mamaya, yung mga nakikinig sa atin. Magbigay kayo kahit isang one track lang sa playlist nyo na ipi-play nyo mamaya na para sa inyo, pag binagsak nyo yun, ganon feel.
Hala.
Kahit one song lang.
So honestly,
One song.
I am mind blocked right now. There's too many songs that I wanna just throw everywhere. I can't even remember the titles. But maybe I will be playing a lot of John Summit and Dom Dollar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's in the top
Yes,
of my
sir.
head right
Yes,
now.
sir. Yes,
But
sir.
I forgot the titles.
Since my playlist later, kasi magdedepende naman kasi siya, hindi talaga siya nakasunod na songs and tracks, ganon. Pero, since I'm a huge fan of Hunger Games, so meron akong isang track doon na I think magugustuhan ng mga fan din ng nasa movie. Yun yung pinaka inaabangan kong itugtog kasi gustong-gusto ko siya, honestly sa akin. So I hope na ma-resonate din siya sa crowd, magugustuhan din nila.
On my own perspective, one of the things that makes this event special is that iba't ibang artists sa iba't ibang lugar ng Pilipinas, we all came together for this event. Kahit sabihin mo nasa Pilipinas tayo pare-pareho, it's different cultures eh. Iba yung nightlife sa Cebu, iba yung nightlife sa Davao, Dipolog, Manila. And nandun yung pressure na you're representing your own city.
Yes.
And with that being said, you first, bro. Well, as a known DJ in Cebu, DJ scene, how does it feel to bring that Cebu energy here in Butuan?
I always represent my city everywhere I go. And well, Cebu has one of the toughest crowds. And I'm just very happy that I have like gone through so much difficulties of the crowd that I was able to get a creativity out of it. So I always just try to vibe with the crowd and play the tracks that I would love, and at the same time read the crowd at the same time.
How about you, Miss Kay, since you represent Davao?
Representing Davao.
Yes, sir. How do you plan to bring that Davao nightlife energy here?
Actually, I think it's the other way around.
Yeah.
Gusto ko bilang nasa Davao, gusto ko whatever that I will experience here, I'm hoping to share it in
Yes.
Davao pag uwi ko.
Yes.
But then representing Davao, it's a nice yung community naman namin doon, and then the crowd there is many Gen Zs. So with this booming na ganito yung setup, hopefully mas may introduce ko siya sa Davao din, and also kasama kami doon hanggang 1 a.m. lang kayong party namin. So but then the crowd, dadalhin ko yung energy ng mga bata ng Davao dito sa Butuan tonight.
Additional question, since
Okay.
this month is Women's Month, we're celebrating Women's Month.
Yeah.
Let's talk about representation.
Okay.
How has the industry changed for female DJs in the Philippines? And is it for the good or for the bad?
I think may sa akin lang for good naman kasi we are now sa male dominated industry na DJing na-accept na yung marami na yung mga female DJs and marami na ding mga representation yung mga female DJ international, even in the Philippines marami-rami na rin kami. So ang isa sa mga gusto ko kasi bilang babae here is the feeling of belonging na kahit sa bilang babae, bilang female, meron kaming part kami sa isang magandang community.
Yeah.
Oo. So, maganda talaga na meron na marami-rami na yung mga female DJ, marami nang nagre-represent sa mga babae, which means para sa akin, para siyang good talaga siya.
Yeah.
So, yun lang naman para sa akin. Hindi namin nararamdaman na out of place ang
Yeah.
mga female DJ. That's why I like being in this community. So, well, thank you to all
Yes,
the
sir.
male DJs
Yes, sir.
out there na lagi kaming ni-welcome, hindi
Yeah.
kami in-out of place. So, thank you so much on behalf of all the female DJs out there.
Yes, sir. Guys, kung nakikita nyo naman sa likod, para tayong Martin Garrix tonight.
Yes!
Question, na-surprise ba kayo dyan? O wala? O may idea na kayo that this is gonna happen? This kind of setup?
I was surprised today.
Yeah.
So I thought it was just gonna be the usual mops
Yeah.
setup, but this is overboard.
And
Totally
like I said,
overboard.
bro, you've been here multiple times.
Yes.
And alam natin yung mga gantong atake ng Mobs team nila, Miss Joy.
That's true. That's
Laging
true.
ganto kalakas lagi.
True.
And ayun nga bro, you've been here multiple times. Para sa'yo, on your own perspective, what makes you come back every time you're here?
I would really say the crowd, because what I notice about the crowd here is that they are very appreciative of what the genres are and what the kind of music you play, what the kind of vibe you bring into. And it makes me come back here every time. And the people here are very friendly as well.
How about you? Ano mo pala?
First time.
First time. And let's talk about accommodations na lang. Since work is not starting yet, it's like an hour before it starts.
Yeah.
Kanina pa tayo mag-aasama. The
Oo.
food, the
Oo.
alaga. As a female DJ, syempre, ang haba ng binyahe mo.
Oo. Davao, Manila.
Tapos
And
mamaya,
then Manila, Butuan.
Tapos mamaya, vice versa naman.
Oo. Dire-diretso na to.
Yeah, on your own perspective, sa alaga ng Mobs, ano masasabi mo?
Grabe. Sobrang beyond na expect. Ako kasi hindi ko masyadong hindi ako masyadong nag-expect because ang expectation talaga na her time then sobrang expectation natin. So I arrived last night, and then nung napunta ako sa accommodation, wow! Like ipagmamalaki ko to.
Almond is home.
Almond. Ipagmamalaki ko to kasi nag-pool ako doon.
Yes, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
also, I would like to recommend the food. Ang sarap ng food dito and may pakape. As someone who loves coffee, sarap yung food and grabe yung Mobs mga alaga. Parang hindi na yata ako uuwi. Mag-extend na ata.
Yes, sir. Okay, before we close this podcast and makapagpahinga tayo saglit, then we fuck things up later. Last two questions for you guys. Second to the last is, if you could describe your blackout set in just 3 words, yun na lang, in just 3 words, what would they be?
I would say energetic, fun, creative.
Yes, sir. How about you, Miss Kay?
Pwedeng kopyahin ko na lang sa kanya.
Okay. Noted on that. Okay.
Kopyahin ko na lang sa kanya kasi creative naman talaga. Creative, fun, yun naman talaga. Wala akong masyadong hindi magana yung utak ko.
Yes, sir. Ito na. Last question for us. Any message to the fans and the Butuan crowd before you hit the decks tonight? Before we hit the decks tonight?
I'll always come here to Mops because they have been doing this for so many years. You know why they've been here for that long. There's nothing else I could say.
Mops is home, baby. Mops is home.
Well, first of all, I would bago lahat, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa Midnight Rebels for having me and Mops
Yes,
for
sir.
having me. I'm so excited for this event. I always say this that I am really excited. Butuan, I'm excited for you tonight. Hopefully makabalik in the future. Pero punta na kayo now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hopefully, my next, ang angas kasi talaga ng setup. I was surprised. So, sana hindi ma-miss to ng Butuan. If ever din sila makapunta, hopefully, they follow Mops para sa mga susunod na mga ganito out of the world setup.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, before we end this podcast, okay lang ba makakuha ko ng tig-isang just say your name and dugtungan nyo ng and you are watching Rebel Broadcast. Parang, hi, my name is Kobeast and you're watching Rebel Broadcast. Tig-isa kayo, each.
Yo, my name is Victor Howe and you're watching the Rebel Broadcast.
Hey, this is Miss K and you're watching the Rebel Broadcast.
And this is Kobeast, the kid from Manila making waves, and you are watching Rebel Broadcast. It's a wrap, baby. We're gonna fuck things up tonight!